A fire broke out in a vehicle parked in the parking lot in Madhu Vihar area of Delhi, resulting in the burning of 17 cars. Meanwhile, there are some owners of the cars who have said that they were not told about the fire and that they got to know about the fire only in the morning. All right, viewers, you see those visuals on your screens. So, learning at this point of time that 17 cars were gutted in fire. You can see the cars are practically charred, and this incident did in fact take place in Madhu Vihar area of Delhi. Learning at this point of time that the owners of the cars were not told about the fire or the fact that the cars have completely been charred. In fact, to give us more on this, my colleague Brian is with us on the broadcast. Brian, as you told me earlier, this fire took place in the late hours. And a lot of people have gotten to know, a lot of car owners got to know that their cars were completely ashed by news outlets and not, they were not informed about this. What is this all about? Give our viewers an understanding on this.
Well, Sabri, definitely a very alarming incident that happened yesterday around 1:17, where there was a fire call, and when we spoke to the people also, they were very frustrated to the fact that the fire took place at the late hours yesterday at around 1:17, and even they said the fire tenders also took around 15-20 minutes late to come, and there were 4 to 5 fire tenders that came to the spot, and they dozed off the fire, but they got to know about this very incident in the morning at around 7 a.m., not from the parking authorities, but from the news channels. Now to the fact also, when we spoke to the Tekadar also of the very parking lot, they said that they were there in the spot, but again, there were no calls made to the people. There were 15 to 17 cars that caught fire, and there were many people, when we spoke to them, it was that they had new cars. It was 2 months old cars, 3 months old cars, and they were very frustrated to the fact that they had no information. And even like we were showing you the visuals also, the cars were completely ashed. It was nothing left. And definitely the car owners were very frustrated. And if you see also the parking lot, it had the capacity to keep 450 to 500 cars. And there were around 300 cars at the parking spot. And the took place at the far end of the parking, and there were no rather proper entry or exit also. There was just one entry and exit. So even the fire tenders had to come from behind to doze off the fire. So this was also one of the probable reasons. Another very important reason that the people told us to the fact that there were 2 CCTV cameras installed at the very parking spot, but none of them were working. So no one really can understand also what was the rather cause of the fire, even though yes, the fire was dozed off by the fire tenders, but again, it was a loss to the people. It was a major loss to the people who were there, whose cars were there, because they were giving 2,500, 3,000 rupees per month to keep their cars. In spite of giving money and even spending some on their cars also, it was a major loss, major havoc for the people whose cars got burnt, around 17 to 15 cars.
Right, absolutely. Brian, with that, I'd like to thank you for joining us on the broadcast, sharing all those details with our viewers. Let's meanwhile listen in to what some of the eyewitnesses have said.
भैया मैं यहाँ पे ड्राइविंग करता हूँ जी।
ये जो आग लगी थी, किस टाइम आग लगी थी?
ये भैया 1 से लेके 1:20 के बीच में लगी है।
फायर ब्रिगेड को कॉल किसने किया?
जी मैंने किया था भैया।
टाइम से फायर ब्रिगेड आ गई?
भैया थोड़ा सा ये इधर इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया में आग लगी हुई थी, उससे वो 10 से 15 मिनट लेट हो गए, मगर जब भी उन्होंने आग पे काबू कर लिया, आके 8 से 9 गाड़ी आ गई थी 10-15 मिनट बाद, और उन्होंने काबू कर लिया।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.